Hi everyone, in this tutorial you will learn turn off lock screen password on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. First unlock your phone, open the settings page. Once you are in the settings, scroll down slowly. This time you can find the security and privacy option, simply tap on it and wait to open the next page. After that, locate the lock screen option, simply click on it, then verify to enter your current phone screen password to open the page. Make sure to you can type the exact password your phone. After you open this page, here you can see various options there. But if you decide to turn off lock screen your phone, simply you can locate the none option, tap on it once, then confirm by tap on remove data, then tap on it again and automatically turn them off. To check if this process work or not, simply lock your phone and unlock it, and this time no lock password appear there, but I recommend always you can set up lock screen password. This is for protect your phone. If you are anytime decide to set lock screen password again your device, simply tap on lock screen option, then select the any password if you like. For example, this time I am select pattern lock, so tap on it, then type your new pattern, hit continue, retype the same pattern lock, tap on confirm, and automatically you have successfully done. However, if you are decide to also add fingerprint, simply go to lock screen, enter your current password, find the fingerprint, face recognize. If you set any, simply open it, follow the on screen instruction and set it up. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching.